Good day, everyone. We want to solve this problem. We want to make R the subject of formula in this problem. Now, let's proceed. We are given 1 all over f is equal to u minus 1 into bracket of 1 all over r minus 1 all over s. We are given this. Now, I can expand this, then find the LCM, then proceed. Now, our aim there is to make this r subject of formula, that is, we want to isolate it. That is what it means. We want to isolate it. That is, our r will be equals to something. That is what we want to do. That is what we want to make our subject formula there. Now, what I'm going to do here is to find the inverse of this and multiply to both sides. Now, the inverse of u minus 1, since this is multiplying this, I want to eliminate this so that I'll be able to isolate this r. So the inverse of u minus 1 is 1 over u minus 1. So I'm going to multiply to both sides. Now, I want to multiply 1 all over u minus 1, multiply by 1 all over f. This is the left-hand side. Then I want to multiply it to the what? The right-hand side too, that is u minus 1 times u minus 1, then 1 all over r minus 1 all over s. This. Now, you agree with me that this will cancel out this. Now, I'll be left with 1 all over this will give me f into bracket of u minus 1. And this, I will have 1 all over r minus 1 all over s. I will have that here. Now, I can find the LCM of this. Or, better still, I can take this minus 1 all over s to the left-hand side. I can take this to the left-hand side. Then I'm going to have 1 all over f into bracket of u minus 1 plus, because this is minus, so change to plus 1 all over s is equals to 1 all over r. Now, the picture is coming out. I can find the LCM of this, f into bracket of u minus 1, then and s. I can find the LCM. So the LCM of this will give me s f into bracket of u minus 1. That is what I'm going to have there. That is, I'm going to multiply them together. So how many f into bracket of u minus 1 am I going to see here? I'm going to see s. So s times 1 will give me what? S, then plus. How many s am I going to see here? I'm going to see what? F into brackets of u minus 1. That is, multiplied by 1. I'm going to have this. F into brackets of u minus 1. Then equals what? 1 all over what? R. Don't forget, we want to make our r subject of the formula. That is, we want to isolate this r. Now, what I need to do is to cross multiply. If I should cross multiply here, that is, this will multiply this. I'm going to have r into bracket of s plus f into bracket of u minus 1, which is equals to this multiplied by 1 will give me sf into bracket of u minus 1. I will have this. Now, I can now divide both sides by what? S plus f into bracket of u minus 1. S plus f into bracket of u minus 1. Now, this will cancel out this. So my r will be equals to sf into bracket of u minus 1 all over s plus f into bracket of u minus 1. So now I've isolated my what? My r. So if you're given this type of question, this is how you what? This is how you approach it. Thank you.